Yo, what's up, y'all? All right, here's where I'm at. Took the tank off. I didn't really put this back yet. I got the new pump here. That's what it came with: the clamps, the hose, which I don't need that. I'm gonna check my wires to see if I need to change that. And this is the filter down here. This one has a which color on it. Looks the same. And this is the pump here. Have to check these here. Also, I think one of them wires was messed up on there, so I may end up soldering one of them pieces of wire. But I brought the tank in right here. And what I'm going to do is take the bottom off, well, take the pump out, and then, basically, same as we was doing, and I'll put that in there, and I'll bring you back when we try to start it. Hey, what's up, everybody? Well, so I've been doing a little painting. Got some more sanding on it to do. This is the first coat on this front. Them pieces over there, they didn't have two coats. And, well, that one had one. This one I got to hit again. Nice little touch-ups on it. Over here, that's the old pump. I was trying to see if it worked or whatever. Since I took it out and I was just touching it to the battery to make it, hum. Because I didn't get any humming out of this one. So what I'm gonna probably do is hook me a couple of wires to it. Make sure I hear it pumping inside the tank. Because I have a little petrol in the tank that I put in there. And so that's what I'm thinking I'm gonna do. But I had to charge my battery up because my battery died on me. So that's where I'm at right now. Guess I gotta get situated. Get a couple of things done and I can bring you back and show you my progress. So what I'm trying to do is see if this pump will hum. I don't know how much voltage in here. I gotta check the voltage. What I have here is just an old battery. I got that out of a mobility scooter. Shouldn't be that much voltage in it though. And for the simple fact that 11, I haven't used this in a good while. But I say I know it wouldn't be full charge. 11 should be enough. Hopefully we don't tear nothing up. Okay. I got right here. That's the ground because it's grounded to the metal, black and white. So inside of the pin, I went to the black and white, which is right there. Now, I'm thinking the pump should be red and white. So that's what I want to try to get next. Without making stuff touch, and grounding it out. Which is going to be my biggest problem. So I got to find something to make sure that it don't ground out. I'll put something between them. Try maybe a little piece of cardboard or something. Just to try to keep them touching. And what I want to do is kind of touch my wire over here and see what it does. Okay. I got nothing. Let's see about the yellow and red. You know something? I should be able to hook that ground there. Okay, now we try the yellow and red, which is right here. Trying to make sure it don't touch anything. Okay. At least I don't think I'm getting anything. Okay. So why don't we... Okay, 2 wires to come out the pump. There's one here, yellow and red, and one up here to the top, which should be a ground, which is grounded here. Okay, so we got this here, which is a ground to the frame. So let's hook to the yellow and red on this side. Then we should get something. Okay, I heard something. Could have swore I heard something. You see, this is all we trying to do, just get a test. I'm gonna move my ground over here to the ground wire. Alright. And we got the red on here. Let's see if we hear something. Okay, I'm not hearing anything, y'all. So my problem could be a wiring problem. Let's pull this out. I do have the wires from the other one, so I guess I could. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get some pliers for that. Let me get some pliers. Alright. Let me see if I can find that other wire so we'll be able to plug in there and make sure that that's good.